Hello to my book lovers, welcome. I'm Ruth. I realize this is a late suggestion as a gift idea for this year's Christmas, but this can be a gift idea for next Christmas or someone's birthday, especially if they are in love with all things book-related knickknacks, or if they love building miniature things. I think this would be a good gift idea for that person. I received this as a gift from a dear friend, so I'm very thankful to have received this. And this is what it is. It's called a Firelight library. It's self-assembly wooden book Nook with touch-sensitive lights. It has a 4-star assembly difficulty and takes about 4 to 5 hours to assemble. I definitely will not be doing this all in one sitting. I will probably be doing it across a couple days or maybe a couple weeks, depending on how busy my schedule is. But I'm very excited to start this little project, and I think the color scheme of this book scenery will fit great on my bookcase. And also this is just giving me like Harry Potter vibes. I love the intricate detail of the miniature wooden cutouts here, so I'm very excited. And when I look at this just inspires me to want to read more, and I just love it. So I won't be filming me do the whole thing. I'll probably just insert snippets here and there of my progress. And so yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Be careful as you're taking these pieces out. Some of these smaller pieces fall out, so just be careful. So you know it's the next day because I have a new outfit on and there are drinks on the table. So I'm going to continue the little project today. From the last time I finished doing the books, and I've been keeping it in this dog pouch here. So these are the books that I finished in our last video. So the next step is to now do some of these inner parts, which is a little confusing because they're numbered very small, so it's hard to see. But if you take the time to just really look at it, then you'll be able to find what you need to find. But at first glance, it is overwhelming because of the numbers, but at least it is organized by the alphabet. I did not get very far, but here we are. Coming together nicely.